Hey guys, welcome back to the video today. We're going to be seeing what happens if you remove stuff. So, we're first going to start with DC RAM. We'll first start with the hard drive, SATA drive, then RAM, and then CPU fan, and then power supply. So yeah, we'll just unplug the CPU, not the motherboard. So yeah. So yeah, as you can see, it's Windows 8, the one of the greatest operating system ever made. Let's first start with RAM, because I feel like it. So I'm gonna take it off just a tiny bit. Ooh. Man, it's gonna be CRT vibes. Mouse is pretty honest. So as you can see, nothing is functioning anymore. Now if we take it fully out. Ooh. And if we reset it back in. So like, reset it. So if we reset it back in while the computer's still on, not enough time to reset, you get this. Oh my goodness, it's the United States. What the freak? There's a ladybug in here? It's the United States, oh my goodness. So yeah, that's what you'll get. Your computer having a hard time. Okay. So that was the RAM. Now we're gonna go with CPU. You can see I really don't give a crap about this computer. Oh. It's not displaying. And the CPU is freaking out. So, usually when this happens, what I do is just unplug it. Take it out. Yeah, for some reason that doesn't click for some reason. Now that should work. See, there you go. That's all I gotta do. So I'll wait for it to boot up. It's actually pretty fast for this piece of garbage. It's one of my test computers. The ones that are upstairs, I'll never do this to them. Even though they'll be fine for it, but... Okay, so it doesn't matter. Actually, no, yeah, it probably does matter. We'll just continue. Oh, so like it fully restarted. Okay. Keyboard get the supreme dust. So does the mouse a little bit. There we go. Now we're back into Windows 8. Okay. CPU time. Oh, freaking. Don't look at that. You're hurting. So if you unplug the CPU, obviously you don't get a display. The motherboard is still receiving power. Things that did stop are actually, I don't know. Since we don't have a graphics card, I don't know what would happen. Probably the same thing, just no display. Because this is Intel graphics, so. Power supply is still on. Everything's still on but the CPU. Ladybug's on hard time. I'm not going to plug it back in because I don't want to be a spark or anything, so I'm just going to turn it off. Oh, stupid me. Button doesn't work, obviously. So, So that's what would happen. It just stops. So let's see what the computer does now. We'll see if we have any concernment. See any like, oh, okay, so Windows looks like it's restarting right now. See like any recovery or anything? No. Okay, nothing happened. It just said it's like nothing really happened. Okay, what the freak? Okay, keyboard. What? Okay. I thought the keyboard piece, I was gonna say something did happen, but nah, just did that because it's nah. Okay, next on the list. It's probably the motherboard, honestly, because I feel like it. Motherboard and power. This is done. Okay, so like literally everything just died. Yeah, even the power supply. Okay, everything stops working if you unplug the motherboard. So, that is what happens when you unplug the motherboard. Now let's see if we have any errors. Yeah, I don't know, it's fine. It. Okay, so, motherboard, everything stopped working, even the power supply. Oh, okay, we're having a please wait. So yeah. We'll see if it just did what the CPU did. It just didn't do anything. Just said bye. Okay, we have a recovery, so looks like that did do something. And he also was doing the restart. Okay, next on the list, it's gonna be the STD. And after that, I think we've done everything. I'll let him just hang out because we're about this cringe out of the way. Oh, we have to do the CMOS battery. I actually want to see what happens. We'll just do it right now. I don't know, maybe not. Kind of just got shocked a little bit, actually. Okay, so then we're not going to do the CMOS battery. That actually kind of hurt. We're doing the hard drive. It's close enough. So, first unplug the SAM and the power. So it's completely disconnected. So, still works on, oh. Okay. We're having a blue ring. Oh. Oh, it didn't blue screen. It just said brah. Literally just died. Okay. So now we'll plug it back in. Let me plug this back in real quick. Okay, so just... Okay, so when I plugged it back in, it didn't really do anything. The monitor just turned off. So, we'll see what it says. I think this thing died. I'm actually not gonna ask why it says 1997 on there. Too bad. Okay. The thing's plugged in now. What if Windows 8 got corrupted? Oh, no. No, didn't. Okay, next on the list is the CPU fan, and after that, I think we're done. I think that's all. Okay, so it looks pretty normal. Doesn't look like anything pretty much happened. It's a big promise. Okay, So next, let me open up Task Manager. We're gonna go to Performance CPU right now. I wish there was like how hot it gets, but big rest moment. Oh, what the? Oh, is that when I unplugged it? Okay, CPU fan, done. We got, oh, okay. It should overheat now. Oh. The utilization is freaking out right now. The frick's the temperature? The CPU should overheat like in 2 seconds. So we'll do like some. I'm just gonna do like a ton of things. Oh my goodness. I'm literally just waiting for this thing to overheat. It's just more of a RAM than CPU, but whatever. Oh! Oh, I thought something actually happened. Visible. Too bad as this thing. Okay. There's no cooling. Nothing's really happening. What's our RAM at? Wish I had like some. Oh, okay. Performance just went up to 99%. Nothing's happening. Nothing. So we'll just let this sit. See the CPU down there. Okay, this is actually. Really nothing to stress test this, so. Goodness, this is going on for a long time. Let's check this to overheat in like 2 seconds. Alright, let's actually boot it up. Booting up is like the hardest part for CPU, which I feel bad. Ooh. Okay. Now this should do something. Oh, we got it! Oh, what was that error? Dang it, what did that error say? Oh wow, I feel the heat. Wow, okay. Okay, the CPU fan has failed. So, well that one, all the rest were success. All this one I think was a fail because the computer has safety on there that lets it know the CPU fan is done. So, just kind of makes the CPU do whatever it feels like doing. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna play like as soon as I'm booting it. Now this. Okay. Trying to get the overheat error. Okay. What? Goodness. CPU. Update. I'm gonna. Maybe if I put this to Windows 10, then that will make it fail. Yeah, literally nothing. Okay. Well, that one didn't do anything. So yeah. I guess that one was not successful. But you guys, thank you guys for watching. That was unplugging important parts to the computer while it's running. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in another video. Big peace.